Hi everyone, welcome. We are going to destroy your hip stiffness in this video with 3 movements. I'm going to guide you through each one. So if you sit down a lot and you want to get rid of that stiffness, this is the video for you. It's going to take you less than 10 minutes to complete this, so let's go. The first exercise is the 90-90 rotation. So here's how you're going to do it. So with one leg in front of you, we're going to sit like this with our knees bent to 90 degrees. The other leg behind you, bending your knees at 90 degrees as well. Hands on the floor for support, sitting upright. Now breathe in, nice and gentle, and out when we do this. All right, so we are going to rotate our knees to the opposite side, nice and slow, and make sure you feel for that rotation. Breathing in and out. And we go again to the opposite side. Let's do this for 10 reps. So that's 1. 2. 3. 4. Feel for the rotation in your hips. Control the movement and don't rush it. And 10, beautiful. Now to make this harder, when you improve, let go of one hand. This forces more work to be done through the hips. And when that gets comfortable for you, do it with no hands. So that's 2 progressions that you can try as you get better over time. Exercise number 2, we are going to do the Cossack squat. So this requires us to stand up. A great exercise to improve the mobility and the stiffness of our hips, especially in the groin area. You're going to stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width, and we're going to put our hands on our thighs for support. Now, again, breathing in and breathing out as we do this. You're going to shift weight onto one of your leg, bending the knee while keeping the other leg nice and straight. You should feel a stretching sensation in your groin. You can go as deep as you can. The deeper, the harder, but the better it is for you. Hold for a few seconds at the end, and then coming back up to the start, and go onto the other side. The interesting thing is, a lot of us, we just go forwards and backwards. We run forward, we walk forward, but we hardly do any sideways movements anymore. So this is bringing back that forgotten movement. We're going to do 10 reps. This is the 3rd rep. And this will be our last one, and 10. Beautiful. Now, to progress this squat, what you can do is let go of your hands as you go down, and this will put more work onto your legs. Over time, what you want to do is go as slow as you can. That will really help you to challenge your mobility and flexibility, while also allowing you to control your position and your body. So give that a crack. All right, exercise number 3 will be the horse squat. This is something that might look really strange and something that not a lot of people do, but it's really good for you. So again, standing up, we're going to put our feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart. You're going to rotate your feet out as much as you can to 90 degrees, so almost pointing sideways if you can. If you can't, as much as you can. Hands on your hips for balance. This is going to challenge your hip mobility, work on your groin, also your glutes as well, and your quads, to help to strengthen up all of those muscle groups. And now we're going to squat down. You will feel a stretching sensation in the groin. And go down as slow as you can, hold for a few seconds, and coming back up. Give that a try. Let's do it for 10 reps. And 10. Beautiful. Now over time, if you want to progress this, let go of your hands and go down. And go down as deep as you can. And hold this deep position for as long as you can. If you really want to challenge yourself, you can add in calf raises. This will add extra work from your calves in this isometric position. Give that a shot. All right. So those are the 3 exercises that you should try. If you sit down for a long time, or if your hips are just feeling stiff and tight, give them a crack. They are less than 10 minutes a day, and do it throughout the week if you can, 3 to 4 times, and it will help you to reduce your stiffness, help you to move better, help you to regain confidence back in your body, which is what we want. So let me know how you guys go. In the comments below, let me know what other exercises you guys do for hip stiffness, and I would love to hear your opinions. As always, remember to move stronger and lift better. Let's go.